Hello, this is my video excuse me, demonstrating Enhancement 6. Number 1, it says create a video showing the My Account link is present before login and the Logout link appears after login. So if I log in here, I'm just going to select one. So now it says log out. And if I go back, log back out, even when I go home, still shows the need to log out. So if I log out there, if you noticed when I did log in, this user is level 1, so the link does not appear. If I log out and log back in, what is this? So this is level 3, so that does show up. So I can still go in to multiple, to add a category or whatever, and it still shows I need to log out. So I did demonstrate logging out, which is one of those. Validation. So if I go back to, one thing that doesn't show here, but if I do try to go to, where's it at? View. If I just try to go to admin, it just redirects me back to the home page. And for extra credit, I did do, I'll show you the validation in a second, which I found something interesting with that. Let's see. Oh, each of the product views. So product management, I added if I'm not logged in or the client level is less than 2, so that'd be 1 or 0, whatever, which is 0 is not valid, but I also added it in here and in here. So demonstrating that, we can go view slash, let's do product management. It just goes back to the home page. View slash goes back to the home page, so that code seems to be working. Let's log in to my account with level 1. So that's level 1, and let's try to go to view slash products. So since I was logged in, but since I'm a level 1, it won't allow me access. Obviously going back into here and doing the I mean, I can get into that now, so even if I were to view products, oops. So I need to be accessing it actually from the controller, so with that logged in, if I do products and products, it will let me in. If I log out, products and products, it won't let me in. If I log in with a lower user level, products, it won't let me in either. So that's that extra credit part. So let's see, submission, I believe that should be everything. Oh, the validation. So let's go back to here. So one thing that's interesting with this is, so we're in the accounts, but it's loaded the admin page. You know, I have my doc type and everything here. When I go to validate, the W3, where's my, so it comes up with this error, which is saying that it doesn't have this doc type HTML. And as I've researched it, it's really interesting because it does show it there, and also in my head it says I don't have a title, which I do. When I go to another validator and put the code in as it's being displayed on this page, you know, doc type is all still there, it comes up valid. So I'm guessing that's some problem with the W3C validator, that it's, for some reason it's not recognizing that and my title, but it is there. So I'm considering that valid, and that should be it. Thanks.